In this video, let us solve a second example of the chapter statistics, that is chapter 13. The question is, the table below gives the percentage distribution of female teachers in primary schools of rural areas of various states and union territories of India. Find the mean percentage of female teachers by all three methods discussed in the section. This is the question. Now let us solve it. First, we have to form a table which contains two columns and eight rows like this. First column contains class interval, that is percentage of female teachers. The second column contains number of states, that is frequency, Fi. There are three methods discussed in the chapter. They are direct method, the formula for which is mean, that is x bar, is equal to summation of Fi xi by summation of Fi. The second method is assumed mean method, that is mean is equal to assumed mean A plus summation of Fi di upon summation of Fi. The third method is step deviation method, the formula for which is A plus summation of Fi ui upon summation of Fi into h. So these are the three methods. Here xi means class marks or midpoint. Means we have to add lower class limit and upper class limit of each class interval and divide it by 2. And the summation of Fi is, you have to add all the frequencies. Here in the assumed mean method, we have to assume a mean among the class marks xi, and then we have to add summation of Fi di. Fi di means Fi, you know, frequencies of respective class intervals. Di is xi minus a. A is assumed mean. The third one is step deviation method. Here A is assumed mean, Ui is xi minus A means assumed mean by class size, that is h. Here you can observe that class size is 10 in each class interval. H is the class size. So we need to calculate xi, that is class mark, for each method. So now first let us calculate xi. So now let us add one column for xi. How can we calculate it? Lower class limit plus upper class limit by 2. Here lower class limit is 15, upper class limit is 25. 15 plus 25 is 40. 40 by 2 is 20. 25 plus 35. What is it? 60. 60 by 2 is 30. You can now use a trick to find the midpoint or class mark or xi. How? You know the class size is 10, isn't it? If you go on adding 10 to the previous xi, you'll get the next xi. 30 plus 10, this is 40. 40 plus 10, this is 50. 50 plus 10, this is 60. 60 plus 10, 70. 70 plus 10, 80. Now we are finding the mean by direct method. The formula for which is summation of Fi xi upon summation of Fi. Summation of Fi is here 35. If you go on adding all these things, 6 plus 1, 7, 14, 14 plus 4, how much? 18, 18 plus 4, 22, 23, 25, carry 2, 1 plus 2, 35. Summation of F is 35. Now we are needed to find summation of Fi(xi). To find Fi(xi), we have to add one more column for Fi(xi). Here we are needed to multiply frequency and class mark. 620 is a 120, 1130 is a 330, 740s are 280, 450s are 200, 460s are 240, 270s are 140, 180s are 80. To find summation of Fi(xi), we are needed to add all these things. In units plus 0, 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 8 13, 17, 17 plus 4 21, 29. Carry 2, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 2 12, 12 plus 1 13. So summation of Fi(xi) is 1390. So now we got summation of Fi(xi) is equal to 1390 and summation of Fi is 35. So now let us find the mean. Summation of Fi(xi) is 1390. Summation of Fi is 35. 5 is the common factor. 5 sevens are 5 twos are 10. 5 sevens are 35. Carry 4 40. 5 eights are 7 threes are 21. 7 nines are 63. 68 minus 63 is 5. So point 7 sevens are 49. Carry 1. 7 ones are 7. So here mean is 39.71. Now let us find the mean by assumed mean method. The formula for which is a plus summation of Fi di upon summation of Fi. Here a is assumed mean. We have to assume a mean among xi. Let us assume 50 as assumed mean. Here what is d? Di is equal to xi minus a. So now let us create a column for di, which is equal to xi minus a. Here a is 50, xi is 20. 20 minus 50. This is minus 30. 30 minus 50. This is minus 20. 40 minus 50. Minus 10. 50 minus 50 0. 60 minus 50 10. 70 minus 60 20. 80 minus 50 30. Since we are needed to find the summation of Fi di, let us add one more column to find Fi di. Means product of Fi and di. 6 into minus 30 minus 180. 11 into minus 20 minus 220. 7 into minus 10 minus 70. This is 0. 4 into 10 40. 2 into 20 40. 1 into 30 30. Now we have to find summation of Fi di. Here we have negative signs. Here we have positive signs. Observe here that 40 plus 30 is 70. Plus 70 and minus 70 get cancelled. Here 40 is there. Here minus 8 plus 2 10. 400. Minus 400 plus 40 is equal to minus 360. You know already that summation of Fi is 35. So now we have summation of Fi di is equal to minus 360. Summation of Fi is 35. A is equal to 50. Now let us substitute the values to find the mean. A is 50 plus summation of FIDI is minus 360 upon summation of Fi is 35. Here observe that we can simplify this one. 5 sevens are 35. 5 minus sign will be written. 5 sevens are 35. 5 twos are. So this is equal to 50 plus. Now put minus. Plus into minus minus. Minus 72 divided by 7. What is it? 7 tens are 70. Carry 2. That is 20. 7 twos are 14. 20 minus 14, that is 6. 60 nearly equal to 9. 50 minus 10.29. What is it? 39.71, which is equal to the mean by direct method. Mean will be same. You may get 39.7 only. Little bit error will be there while dividing. Now let us find the mean by step deviation method, the formula for which is a plus summation of fi uy upon summation of fi into h. Summation of fi you know that is 35. What is uy here? Uy is nothing but xi minus a divided by h. What is h here? H is the class size. Observe the class size is 10. Upper class limit minus lower class limit is 10 in each and every case. So let A is the assumed mean. Let us assume 50 as assumed mean. So now let us create a column for Uy, which is equal to xi minus A by h. 20 minus 50, that is minus 30, minus 30 by 10, that is minus 3. 30 minus 50, that is minus 20, minus 20 by 10, minus 2, 40 minus 50, minus 10, minus 10 by 10, that is 1, 50 minus 50, that is 0, 60 minus 50, 10, 10 by 10 is 1, 70 minus 50 is 20, 20 by 10 is 2, 80 minus 50, that is 30, 30 by 10 is 3. Since we have to find summation of FIUY, now let us create one more column for FIUY. Means we have to multiply the numbers in this column and this column. 6 into minus 3, that is minus 18. 11 into minus 2, that is minus 22. 7 into minus 1 is minus 7. This is 0. 4 into 1 is 4. 2 into 2 is 4. 1 into 3 is 3. Now we have to add all the positive numbers and all the negative numbers. Before that, observe that 4 plus 3 is 7 and positive of 7 and negative of 7 get cancels. Now add minus 18 minus 22. What is it? Minus 40. Minus 40 plus 4. What is it? Minus 36. So summation of FIUI is minus 36. So A is 50. We have already find it out. Summation of FIUI is minus 36. Summation of Fi is 35. H is 10. So mean x bar is equal to A is 50. We are substituting the values. Minus 36 upon this is 35 into h is 10. Here you can observe we can cancel these two. 5 twos are 5 sevens are. So 50 minus 36 into 2, what is it? 72 divided by 7, that is equal to 50 minus 7 tens are 70 point 220, 7 twos are 14, carry 6 nines are approximately, that is equal to 39.71. So mean is 39.71 in each case. Here they have asked us to find mean by all the three methods. So we have find out it. In exam they may mention the specific method you should use. You have to do in that method only. So please remember all the three formulae. When the choice is yours, observe the numbers carefully, f and xi. If they are too big, then adopt step deviation method. It will be easier. If it is too small, then adopt direct method. Answer will be the same in all methods. You need not worry. So mean percentage of female teachers is 39.71.